The world is changing so fast. And in a little over 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can use our changing world to save money and make money easily. Look at what has happened in a few short years on how we buy our products and services. It all started with companies like Amazon that convinced us we could buy products online and it would be easy, safe, and less time consuming than going to the retail stores. Next thing you know, the brick and mortar retail stores are closing and shopping malls are closing. And then came the gig economy using apps like Uber, Angie's List, and others to use a service or even be the service as a side gig to make money. 40% of all Americans today are now working a side gig, and the number is expected to explode in 2020. So what is the next major paradigm shift that changes the world we live in? Well, it just landed in your lap in a new company and a new marketing concept called LifeTRNDS, a major evolution in the gig economy built around travel and lifestyle. The whole world travels, and we all love to take vacations. And while companies like Expedia and Priceline provide a great online service, you are still paying retail. At LifeTRNDS, you can go to our online hotel and resort booking engine and pay true wholesale for the first time. It easily saves you thousands of dollars annually on all your vacations and travel. And to prove it, we will give you or anyone a $1,000 savings card for free. And that's just the beginning of an amazing side gig that you can do from your home that can create a life-changing income. And because this is so different and so easy, it really can happen. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you make money when you mention or share Amazon with other people? Of course not. But imagine the income you would make if your referrals to Amazon, and then their referrals, and their referrals, and on made you money when all those people shopped. It would make you rich, and I bet you would be sharing Amazon every day. At LifeTRNDS, that is exactly what is happening. Imagine a gig that all you do is send someone the app or to the website, and when they travel at huge discounts, you get paid commissions for life. Imagine when they share the app with family and friends and others, you get paid commissions when they travel. Imagine those people sharing the app and you get paid commissions. And then they share it, you get paid commissions. And this continues through 10 tiers of referrals. That's right, 10 tiers of referrals. Every person you send the app to is incentivized to do the same. It's easy, it duplicates, and you make more and more money as the base of people grows and grows. And you can share the app with hundreds of people, not just 5 as shown in this example. There are no limits on your income. I know it sounds too good to be true and too easy. There must be a catch, and there is. The catch is the 20 minutes that you take of your time to study and make the right decision from the options on the Make Your Choice button below. That's it. Please choose wisely, as I personally believe our e-gig referral system offers a life-changing income for anyone that engages.